This is a sofa which I consider is my lucky sofa. And I'll tell you why. Because I remember that two times in this year, when I was sitting on the sofa, actually one last year and one this year, I was sitting here in the sofa on this corner, and I got a call where they said that they wanted me to come for this movie Dhurandhar. And they told me a little bit about the role, and I told them that it's a very small part. And I did not know anything about the film and what was it all about, how expansive it is. But I loved Aditya Dhar's work previously, and I'd heard so many good things about him from my friends that he's such a lovely human being. तो मेरे दिल में ये ज़रूर ख्वाहिश थी कि मैं आदित्य के साथ काम करना चाहती हूँ। फिर मैं थोड़ी-सी कन्फ्यूज़ थी, तब मैंने ओजस से बात की, जो इस फ़िल्म पे डीए थे, और उन्होंने मुझे समझाया कि आदित्य को ऐसा लगता है कि आपने हमेशा जो किरदार किए हैं बहुत लाइट हार्टेड किए। आपकी एंकरिंग में भी आप बहुत वाइब्रेंट रहती हैं, मगर इस रोल में आपको साइलेंट, ऑलमोस्ट साइलेंट है, और ये बहुत इंटेंस रोल है, तो लोगों को बहुत मज़ा आएगा आपको ये देखने में इस तरह से। And we promise that the scenes will be less, but whatever we'll make you do will have an impact. So just come on board. And I said, okay, if the director really has me in his mind, I think let's go for it. And second time also, the movie that I'm doing right now, the call came for it when I was sitting here. So आजकल ये मेरा lucky corner है. Okay. I have to talk about the paintings. My mother is a professional artist. She's a painter from Calcutta. Uh, and these are all her paintings. She puts up exhibitions, and I really wanted her to do something for me. But somehow she didn't make one painting. She said, I'll just give you some clusters. So this is what she made for me in this space. And I love it. This is basically the similar tree in different seasons, in different moods. अब क्योंकि हम पेंटिंग्स की बात कर रहे हैं, आई हैव टू मेक यू मीट माय मदर। बहुत सारी पेंटिंग्स हैं घर में एक्चुअली, पर आई एम नॉट टेकिंग यू टू माय मम्स और माय किड्स और माय गेस्ट रूम। वहाँ बहुत पेंटिंग्स हैं, लेकिन वी विल डेफिनिटली कॉल माय मम्मा। मम्मा
Yes, coming.
एंड हर पेंटिंग्स। She, like I said, is a professional artist from Calcutta. We keep putting exhibitions of hers. And this is so amazing कि मम्मा के हाथ की paintings हमारे घर में है। Mama, what is this? Which painting is this?
These are the buildings of the impression of Bombay. My
Oh.
first impression from Bombay.
Oh, so this is her first impression of Bombay. ये तो मम्मा ने मुझे भी नहीं बताया था। So 2007 is when I shifted to Bombay and I came with Mama. I don't think अगर मम्मी मेरे साथ नहीं होती तो ये शहर और ये इंडस्ट्री, I don't know how would I have survived. Wouldn't be possible without her. So this is her first impression of Bombay. Mama, ये क्या है?
But this is just a garden. I love mint leaves, so I did for mint.
Your mint leaf pot in the balcony. तो हमारी बहुत एक्चुअली मम्मी को गार्डनिंग का बहुत शौक है। मुझे याद है कि जब हम उज्जैन में रहते थे, तो हमारे पास एक टेरेस गार्डन था। हमने वहाँ एक ग्रीन हाउस बनाया हुआ था, एंड शी यूज्ड टू टीच बोनसाई मेकिंग एंड कैक्टस क्राफ्टिंग। वी हैड अ ह्यूज बिग गार्डन, और बॉम्बे में आकर सब कुछ छोटा और सिमट गया, क्योंकि यहाँ इतनी जगह नहीं होती है। सो या वी कुडंट गेट इट, बट शी गॉट अ पेंटिंग from that memory. This paneling on the wall I did also later. Um, Everything is in the cool tone. So is my kitchen. Somehow I just like the cool tones a lot, which is a rarity because usually when you go to Indian homes, they're all warm tones. And I made everything cool, grays and pinks and blues, sage green, rather than, warmer browns. These are these beautiful lights, which I also took a lot of time to find out. Made my husband go mad. He said, "तू 2 रुपए की चीज के लिए 200 रुपए की टेंशन लेती है." But that's me. I'm going to take you to my bedroom. But please don't forget to appreciate my distress wood little piece where I keep all the keys. Obsessed with distress wood. Okay, this is my bedroom. I like empty spaces, and I like a big size bedroom. Can I tell you a secret why? Can you guess why? Because I also shoot here sometimes. So this is where, usually my cameraman can come and we can just click pictures if I'm ever going to an event, or maybe if I have to shoot for an ad which I have to post on the social media. I just say, come here, I have enough space. So this is that little space I use also as sometimes a shooting space. This is, of course, my most favorite picture of the entire world. This is me and my baby, and very special. And just because, not because I had actually a boy, I kept a blue. I mean, I don't believe in that colors given to boy or girl, but somehow my entire room turned out to be blue and gray. And I just love the colors again. Very, very cool colors. I love this uh, piece of mine which I got made. Again, distress wood finish, and I love the whole combination of gray and white. Love the wallpaper. I found this wallpaper after a year. I was looking for a wallpaper which would go with the grays and the whites, but I finally found it. Some books, always before going to sleep, that's like a ritual of reading about 20 pages, and also making my little baby read a book. So the books always have to be by my side in my bedroom. ये छोटा-सा एक स्विंग है, जो एक्चुअली मैंने बनवाया अपने लिए था, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ बैठकर कभी-कभी कविताएँ सुनती हूँ, म्यूज़िक सुनती हूँ, कभी-कभी लिखती भी हूँ उसके ऊपर बैठकर। लेकिन जब से मेरा बेबी आया है, वो इस पर मुझे बैठने ही नहीं देता है। ही इज़ जस्ट सो फॉन्ड ऑफ इट कि उसने मुझे यहाँ से बेदखल कर दिया है। Well, that's what happens when you have a little baby in the house. But I just love this little part of my bedroom because I just feel it's a calming corner. That's what my baby says. Mama, this is our calming corner. This is my calming corner. This is that sofa which my friend again got from Bali. I love it. It's not matching the other wood, you know, the textures and the feel, but she loved it so much. She said, "Let me just get it for you." And I love it. It's such a beautiful piece, and sometimes an odd piece in your decor, which doesn't match with everything, is also lovely. You don't have to be so matchy matchy all the time. कभी कभी एक odd one out होना चाहिए लाइफ में. I don't know, I just took fancy for this bird. जब again my baby could not sleep, I used to feed him here, and I used to ask my nanny to ऐसे ये बर्ड चलाने के लिए मैं उसको बोलती थी, उसको देखते 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 वो सो जाता था. I just love this bird. I got it from Singapore from some toy shop. Totally adore it. ये छोटे-छोटे जो कैन्स हैं, ये एक्चुअली लटकाने के लैंप्स नहीं हैं, पर मैंने इसको लैंप्स बना दिया। मुझे ये इतने क्यूट लगे और इसके कलर्स मेरे कर्टन्स और बाकी चीज़ों से इतने मैच कर रहे थे कि मैंने उसको इन छोटे जार्स को एक्चुअली मैंने हैंगिंग लैंप अपने हाथों से मतलब बनवा दिया। तो यहाँ पर मैं अपनी फेयरी लाइट्स लगा के इसको जला लेती हूँ, जस्ट टू गिव दैट लिटिल फेयरी लाइक इफेक्ट।
टू वॉच द फुल वीडियो क्लिक हियर। पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें।